Hi everyone, I'm Samira and I'm a biker from Bangalore. I'm here to tell about my experience with the KTM 390 Duke because that's what I'm riding since 2018. My first experience with KTM was in 2016 October when I was doing a ride from Bangalore to Rajasthan, and that time I was riding a cruiser bike. So the whole understanding of KTM was a little difficult for me initially, but after riding a couple of kilometers, I got kind of used to it. This one and the power, the performance, everything was something I kind of adapted in that my first ride. And after that, 2018, I picked up my own KTM 390 Duke again. I've ridden all the models of KTM, but I somehow like this because I'm into different dimensions of motorcycling. So I do touring at the same time. I do tracks. I take my bike little off trails as well. So I felt that 390 gives a very good, comfortable position to me and for my height as well. So I got done few modifications on my bike to make sure that it goes with a different kind of trails. It will not fit only for the roads and the tarmac. So when it comes to the performance, I've always been in love with this bike because it gives me so much of push and also gives me the space, the kind of rider I am. So I like speeds, but at the same time, I feel that the safety and learning and the confidence with it makes it a whole package. So we all know the KTM has been taken uh, Indian market on a very good standard from the day it launched into in India, and it has been assembling in India from quite a long time. So the kind of prices we are getting is perfect. So I would say that everyone has their own choices. Everyone has their own like of riding, but I always say to everyone that never stick yourself to one kind of a bike. Keep switching to different bikes to experience the things which that bike offers to you. So the speed, the torque, the control, the ABS, and the stock tire itself. So itself a stock machine, it's quite impressive. And if you would like to change something like the way I did for my kind of riding, so yes, you can definitely do it. The service centers are amazing. It's throughout because I'm in Bangalore. Even though throughout country the service stations are available, and I had a very good experience because I've ridden to many places. So on KTM, so I had a very good experience with the service stations, with the managers. They really help it out, and the parts are very affordable. It's a good package. So like being a women rider, I would say that because that's the question come a lot when somebody see a woman rider ride a woman riding a KTM, then they just think that I'll not gonna open the gas, but that's not me. I always rev it up. I always open the throttle the way, and I'm very happy with KTM. So thank you so much, and keep riding.